Hello everyone, this is Clinton from Godson Studios, and in this tutorial I'll be sharing with you how I approach shooting weddings with a focus of frame rate and frame size. In wedding cinematography, two things guide my choices in setting my frame rate and frame size, which is quality and motion. So when capturing moments of utmost importance, that's moments that requires the clearest and the cleanest details, like interviews, wide establishment shots, vows, toast, and all those stuff, I shoot all those in 4K. The reason why I capture them in 4K is to ensure the highest and clearest quality as possible, perfect for preserving these cherished memories. However, weddings are also filled with dynamic moments that demand smooth and impactful motion captures. For scenes like dancing scene, maybe capturing the romantic moments of the couple and maybe the smiles on the faces of the guests and other lively interactions, I switch to HD at 100 frames per second. This will help me to capture beautiful slow motion sequences that will enhance the emotional impact of the video. Another reason behind my approach to this is efficiency in file sizes. Knowing the reason why you do the things you do will make you know when to do them. That's when exactly to do them, whether you need them or whether you don't. For example, let's say you are shooting during the sermon and you are capturing the faces of the guests listening to the sermon. It doesn't really make sense to capture those in 100 frames per second because they are just listening, like no emotions. You don't really need those extra frames for anything. But let's say you are capturing the guests at the point where the couples are putting on rings or exchanging vows. You may need to shoot those in 100 frames per second to capture the smiles on their faces, the laughter, the cheerings, the clappings, and stuff like that. This will ensure you have manageable file sizes without compromising on the visual impact of the video. For other moments that are less impactful, such as extended sermons or less significant part of the day, I shoot those in HD at 25 frames per second. This setting strikes a balance between quality and efficiency, capturing these moments effectively without excessive file sizes. By strategically using frame rate and frame sizes, I ensure that every aspect of the wedding day is captured with a perfect balance on quality, motion, and efficiency. Thank you for watching to the end of this tutorial. And if you have any questions or you want to learn more in any of these areas, feel free to leave a comment below and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.